Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to cover some of the things that I went over last week, along with some of the new updates to the website. So let's get started. Last week I made several videos. One of them was in response to a comment from one of you guys asking if I could cover how to replace pulled pads from the sandwich layer of the motherboards on an iPhone. So on Wednesday I gave a detailed explanation of how to replace the pads so that you can have the continuity back between the top and bottom boards. So I highly recommend you check that out. Last Thursday I went over how to replace the microphone. Did this on an Apple Watch Series 9. I gave a couple different tips and tricks on how to deal with defective microphones that applied more than just to Apple Watches, so definitely check that out. And on Friday I went over a full frame swap on an iPhone, as there are still a lot of new techs, and this is definitely a good thing to know how to do a full teardown so that you can repair more devices. Now for a couple updates on the website. Now in stock both refurbished and genuine OEM replacement parts for 2025 Motorola models, including the screens, cameras, back cover glass, mid-frame housing, SIM card trays, vibrators, and more. So definitely check out the new Motorola parts. And part of the buyback program is now we are accepting the Galaxy Flip and Fold screens. As you can see right here, all the way from the Galaxy Fold through the Fold 6 and the Flip 3 all the way through the Flip 6. So definitely take advantage of sending those in. And last but not least, we have over 1,000 pre-owned watches ready to ship. For example, the Apple Watch Series 10, both new sealed 42mm and grade A 46 and 42mm with the bands included, along with pre-owned Apple Watch Ultra 2, bands included, and the Apple Watch Series SE 2nd Gen, both new sealed, grade A and B with the bands included. Got some fun videos planned for this week, but if there's something that you'd like to see in a future video, comment it down below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.